Hi viewers, today we're going to do the taste test challenge. As you can tell, I have a blindfold on and my granddaughter is going to give me 8 tests. For every test I get wrong, I have to take a sip of this nasty drink. I don't know what it is. There's a jar, something in it. Oh, I know. Peanuts. Lemon juice. I think it's a cracker of some sort. Ritz. Oh, beefaroni. The last 4 tests, my nose is going to be shut. That tastes pretty good. I think it's vanilla. Well, pure vanilla by, McCormick. It's going to be tough to taste this after that vanilla. Mustard, not hot, but spicy brown. Beats me. Stone ground mustard. I have to take a drink of the nasty drink because I got one wrong. Wheat germ. Farina. Don't know. Breadcrumbs. Okay. Nasty drink. Ooh. Okay. Last one. Could it be pineapple? Could that be from the Black Jack cherry yogurt? We're throwing in a bonus. I don't know if it's hot from the previous test or it's hot from this one. The nasty drink. Ground red pepper. My nose is going to have a ridge in it from the clothespin. Thanks for watching me, viewers. It wasn't the most delightful time, but it's interesting. Bye.